It sucks, man, when all these dumbbells is the fun. Like, I'm trying not to, somebody did that yesterday. They seen me press record and I was nowhere in sight of nothing or anyone. They just came out of nowhere just to get in, like, hey, excuse me. Like, bro, you see me doing something. Like, I didn't try to get them on camera, you know what I'm saying? I know everybody ain't with it, but it's like, bro, come on, man. You see what I'm doing, man? They always got like some horror movie playing. Everybody know it too. We are not worried. Okay, so I forgot what today is, but all I know is today is shoulder day. That's the title of this video. Today is shoulder day, but we don't know what day it is. And really it's because I'm not worrying about certain things that I used to, because it just stopped my progress overall, bro. Like, I'm been trying to weed around certain people and they egos, and they want to be like, oh, man, I can't work with him. Like, oh, that's your fault, shoot, because I'm not the only one like this, you know. And if you think everybody's gonna be like you in business, good luck with that. You're gonna have a hard time trying to figure it out. But enough of all that mess. Guess what? I want to see how big I can get by end of July. Yeah, I said it. I'm going for a bulk. Everybody been asking me to bulk. Well, guess what? Here's your time to see it. Shoot, I'm about to go on a full bulk for y'all. So I'm talking about cars on cars on cars, bruh. It's about to be a whole nother thing. What's up, brother? It's about to be a whole nother beautiful thing, man. 100 grams here, 200 grams there, 6, 7, 8, 9. But yeah, man. So, I'm just playing. I'm gonna stay lean though, cause the way my body is shaped, I can just spread. And if you got that them type of genetics, bro, try to just spread your physique. Don't try to just overly crowd yourself. In other words, put all this size in all these different areas, knowing you're gonna be all unproportionate. You're gonna be a baby Nick. No offense. I mess with Nick. That's my dude. But yeah. I can start with 25 with these. I ain't gonna lie, these are my new favorites right here. Anytime I do shoulders, I like these. I can still do my upright rows, but not have to put so much emphasis on my lower back. So this right here, these chest supports, ooh, these gonna be a game changer for a lot of y'all. Cause you can just relax, sit back, head up, chest up. And when you pull, come at an angle. So look at my elbows versus this. No, don't do that. Ooh, don't do that, all right? Do it like this. Put a bend in them, right? Slight bend, and just like I said, stretch all the way. Yep. Ooh, and try to squeeze those. I bet you won't. I bet you won't. Shoot, 'cause I tried on them. Even still today, still ain't working. I still can't squeeze like that. I can, but it's very, very difficult. Versus when you just standing and doing like the regular barbell, bruh. See, that's what y'all not trying to do. Y'all not trying to do the hard stuff because you know it's gonna work. And you know it's gonna chin check you. Bop, bop. So I'm about to do these, what is these? Upright rows right here. Straight bar. I'm doing straight bar because like CG said, the GOAT, the Godfather. I gotta be careful because I hit my bone last time. Last time I set this down. You pretty much like spread your arms out, right? You spread your arms out like that, you can pretty much contract on exact deltoid, the exact rear, right? Versus this, Like you see everybody do this, which is pretty much a conventional, I guess you can call it. I don't really do that no more. I haven't done that since I first got into training, and it's not like I didn't like it. Well, I mean, I really didn't like it, so that's why I didn't do it like that. But he pretty much confirmed like this one is just as good. You know, just as long as you hit the exact deltoid, get the proper mind muscle connection, you get that range of motion in there. So you let it just stretch, squeeze up at the top. Oh, it's a beautiful feeling. Feels like a woman, you know, one that you really want. So now for me, I like to lean back just a little bit. Lean my upper body back, but then let it fall forward just a little bit. So when I pull up, it's like this. This is how the contraction looks. Keep your elbows behind. That's what he told me too. He was like, always keep your elbows behind you. Almost dropped it. One more. Every time I do my side, it look like let me try from this side. But I do definitely got more definition in my, what is it, tricep? Because when I do this, you see that horseshoe, man. Look like I stole something. Okay. Capped off. So my last, it's funny, I think my last show was Q-Fat last year and next month, so July 2023. I can't even believe it's been that long already. Shoot, it's already been pretty much a whole calendar year. And what was my weight on that show, on that day? 186. Yeah, just about 186, right? Now, what am I now? Because people have seen my last off-season pictures to now. And it's funny, I tell them, I'm still around the same weight, my original off-season weight, which is 210, 215, give or take, right? Of course, it'll fluctuate, water and stuff. But I'm still around the same weight range. Like, I'm not in the 230s, 240s. Yeah, I may look it, you know, but that just goes to show like how much body fat I've been draining or losing and how much muscle I've been gaining. So that's what a lot of people want, you know, but they don't know how to explain that. So if you're one of those people, which majority of you is, you don't want to lose weight. You want to burn fat and build muscle because you want to keep that muscle. You want to look shredded, cut. You ain't trying to look like no, what's them, not sprinters, but marathon runners. You ain't trying to be no marathon runner, just a bag of bones, you know. That's all a marathon runner is. Shout out to all the marathon runners though. You know, I know y'all doing y'all thing out there, but yeah, I think I was a marathon runner's weight, but I still had muscle, dense, thick muscle. I'll put the picture in the video too, so you can see it, but I had it, bro, you know. Everybody tried to call me, oh, he's not natty, or is he natty or not? I'm like, because they saw my pro card for the natural league, you know, and then they really got fired up. That really fired them up. It was like, no, how come I can't get, I don't know, shoot, take that up with whoever your master is. Take that up with whoever you pray to, I don't know. So one of the things I've always see is people do this. I don't even know if I could do it because my arms was already trained. Like when people say that I got my hands trained already, yeah, that's how my shoulders feel. So do not do this. Yeah, don't do that. You really gonna mess something up if you do it like that. All right. When I see people do this, it's like, no, because look at my elbows. You ain't gonna really get the same contraction. So I'll stay like this, but I will turn around and do it. So more so like this, kind of like this. I'll even go singles. I can even go singles like this. Ah, much better. Somebody did that yesterday. They seen me press record and I was nowhere in sight of nothing or anyone, right? They just came out of nowhere just to get in like, hey, excuse me. Like, bro, you see me doing something. Like, man. And I just tried to, I didn't try to get them on camera, you know what I'm saying? I know everybody ain't with it, but it's like, bro, come on, man. You see what I'm doing, man? You know? I ain't messing with you. Get away from me. Ugh, that look nasty. I don't know why they always playing these horror movies in the gym, bro. Like, it don't matter what commercial gym you go to, they always got like some horror movie playing. Everybody knows too. So. You go. Ain't no orangutans over here. You gotta be a beast for this. All of that hoop, hollering, that ain't gonna fly over here, man. That ain't. That's just gonna slow you down, put you in the cuts with everybody else. I'm telling you, don't do that, man. Don't do it to yourself. All of that back and forth, nah. Like I said, ain't no woofing and barking. You know, all that internet talking. People do that, but that ain't us. You can't get like this and be like that. You know, it's just inevitable. It ain't gonna happen. For me, I just come back just to finish up what I didn't finish in the morning, man. Period. Just because I'm a real hustler, workhorse, really a go-getter, man. I don't let nobody stand in my way, so it's like, you gotta do that. Like that video, that swirling with Diddy. You said, sometimes you gotta do that. Sometimes you gotta do that. Hey, that had me dead. Yeah, that's Diddy right there. You know, I don't want to come back at night, but sometimes you gotta do that. But yeah, man, so we're about to have at it. Get some vittles, get some good old fruit, you know, and get to this money. Yeah.